In this video, I'm gonna show you my most recent collaboration. For this hotel in Bali called the Angsa Villa, my girlfriend and I were brought in to capture some content for their social media. And after seeing the location for real, I was determined to pull off a one-take flight with my FPV. But it didn't go as planned. My vision was to create a seamless one-take flight through the hotel, highlighting its architecture, luxurious interior, and gorgeous surrounding in a dynamic way. Although it wasn't a necessity on the client side to do a one-take flight, they were pretty excited about the idea once we pitched it. However, the shoot didn't go as smoothly as I hoped. The hotel, that is perched on a hillside directly by the sea, faced harsh winds, which make it precise flying in and out of the building extremely challenging. And to make matters worse, my flying wasn't as sharp as it needed to be that day. Achieving the one-take flight that I hoped for wasn't happening. Despite these challenges, I still managed to capture some impressive FPV footage from my many attempts. Additionally, I also used my DJI cinematic drone. So instead of sticking to the one-take plan, I decided to get creative. By combining footage from both my FPV and cinematic DJI drone, I was able to showcase the essence and beauty of the hotel in a smooth new perspective. Let's take a look at the result. But before, I would really appreciate if you take 1 second of your time to push this little button. As you can see, this isn't a one-take flight, but the client was thrilled about the end result and didn't mind the change of plan. As an FPV pilot, you often face challenges when you fly in a new location, especially when you have a limited time to create content. It's quite crucial to be adaptable and creative when things don't go as planned. This project was a perfect example of how flexibility can transform potential setbacks into unique, captivating results. It's been barely more than 1 year that I've been flying FPV, and I'm far from being a good pilot. However, collaborating on projects like this is extremely valuable for gaining experience and building up a portfolio. This is why I want to encourage all inspiring FPV pilots to get out there and to get the experience. It's quite simple. Just start contacting small businesses and get some gigs. So when you feel like you're ready to be paid, you're well prepared to succeed. If you make it this far, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.